Hello, welcome to Asyosh Handmade channel. We are here with the third video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In this video, we will do a single crochet together. You will find how to crochet a single crochet in magic loop, too, in this video. To learn how to crochet step by step, you should definitely check out my Let's Crochet Together playlist. Let's start. Make a slip knot and place it on your crochet hook. Create a foundation chain by making a series of chain stitches. For example, make 10 chains for a small swatch. You can find all about slip knot and chain stitch in my second video of Let's Crochet Together series. You can find the link in description. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook from back to front. Pull the yarn through the chain. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook once more. Pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. You have now completed one single crochet stitch. Repeat step in each chain across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 to turn your work for the next row. For subsequent rows, insert your hook into the top of the single crochet from the previous row and repeat the process. Tips: maintain consistent tension for an even appearance. Practice to get comfortable with the motion. How to crochet single crochets in magic loop. You can find my How to Crochet Magic Loop video in the description. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over, and pull through. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. This completes one single crochet. Repeat this process for the desired number of single crochets, usually 6 to 8 for a small circle. Pull the tail of the yarn to tighten the magic loop. To join the round, insert the hook into the top of the first single crochet made, yarn over, and pull through both loops. The magic loop is great for starting projects like amigurumi or circular motifs. I recommend you visit my Etsy shop link in the description for easy crochet patterns with step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next project.